The maritime industry faces a pivotal challenge: decarbonizing the existing fleet. The new release of the annual Engine Retrofit Report from LR signals a significant step towards addressing this challenge. This annual publication aims to provide a comprehensive overview of fleet and technology readiness to transition to alternative fuels, including methanol and ammonia. It covers the primary regulatory drivers, such as the influence of the IMO ambition and targets, alternative fuel readiness including technology and compliance considerations, and current retrofit technologies and engine package availability. Key elements also considered are the retrofit capacity and capability of shipyards to service the demand, the importance of human factors and training, and the techno-economic factors and investment case for current retrofit technologies. We hope you will find our report a comprehensive and definitive guide to ship engine retrofitting for alternative fuels. If you would like to find out more, we invite you to download the full report on our website www.lr.org.